Hello, everybody. Hello, little me. Today we are checking out Days of Nature. Good old Days of Nature. Actually, if I don't collect this over here, you guys will be irritated at me. He's leaving his candle behind. But this is why. Come on. What button is it? I want... Come on! This is why I wasn't collecting it, by the way. There we go. The whole one button does everything is really annoying because the priorities are whack. Oh, hello, clams. She's gonna wave at us and waddle inside. Yeah! Oh, I'm itchy today. How strange. You! Okay, so this is where we buy it. Ooh, that comes with 60 candles. I have some of them. So that's the old stuff. Does that mean the new stuff will be in here? Yes. The hair and nature pack. It also comes with, well, it's 75 candles. Do we have spells? Ooh, we have spells. Oh! Yeah, don't choke. Let's get all the spells. Ooh. Come on, game. Load, please. I would love to be able to buy that things for you guys to show them off. I don't like using spells because it's better to what's the word I'm looking for? Saving the spells for a friend later is better. Oh, okay. You. Oh. Okay. So get an extra spell, but this is where you get last year's items, so I believe that and that is candles. I don't remember the amount. And then we have this year's items for tickets. I am probably going to go for the scarf looking thing first. So, this is something. Let's go in here and look for the tickets. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers and start making money, I will buy... Oop, hello, shards. I will buy items from seasons and events. So this is number 1. What is over here? Hello, pot. What do you do, pot? Oh, that just has a thingy on it. Hello? Do you want to learn more about this? It will take you out of Scar. Okay, I'm gonna say no. Oopsie. This is number 2. How about? I'm too small. Number 3. Number 4. What is this over here? Huh? Just some broken thing on the round? Okay. So I assume number 5 is linked to some form of an activity. Oh, there's wax over here from the shards that landed earlier. Hello? What are you? Are you number 5? Hello? Ooh, Angie baby. Whee! Angie baby. Okay, Angie baby. So that was cool. I mean, I must be careful, but that was really cool. I don't see anything here. Maybe it's in the lower pond. Angie baby! Ah, that's a whole new creature they've made for this. That is really cool. I hope we get to see it more. Angie baby! I mean, it does have some random global swimming in its pond, so do we really blame it? Maybe I need to learn more about the thing? But that doesn't make sense, because who would want to repeat leaving Sky to get an extra ticket? So nothing there. Where's the last ticket? No, I don't watch any beta videos or ever play beta. I could. That's not the... Hello? That's the water symbol. Like, the difficulty isn't not wanting to. Well, not being able to. I definitely could. I just think the reaction is better. If see, I've only got 4. What's the word I'm looking for? It makes a better video if I haven't spoiled it for myself. Yeah, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, well, let's go talk to the guy to take me out of Sky. I'll bring whatever it is up on screen. Come on. And if I still can't figure it out, I will check you. It will take me out of Sky. Oh, they're wanting to add me. Sure, I'll accept your invite. There we go. Hello, little moth. There we go. Okay, I have pulled it away. Let's... Little mothy wants to unlock hug. And finally I will unlock chat with them. I can't think and tap. Ooh, can I translate? So the website just takes me to the ocean cleanup star page. Oh, we've got Sarah. There we go. Maybe it has something to do with this, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out and then come back when I have the final... when I know what to do for the final ticket. Ooh! A bonus clip. The shards landed again, so we can see what we have to do to get these. I'll try and... I don't know, I'll put this in before the ending, I guess. Oh no, I'm not very good at editing, so I can't... I don't know how to cut the video. For when it lands when we first start. They've actually finally put more effort into the events again. Look at the cutie! He's so cool! I just ripped that Scar Kid apart, but... besides the point... And whoop! Angie baby! more have landed. This is pretty cool, actually. Oh, Angie baby. Angie baby trying to eat me. Come on. Game! Actually do the thing. There's Angie baby. Let's not get eaten by Angie baby. It would be cool if after we have, like, burnt all the darkness, he would calm down. Okay, so you can only collect it once a day. Oh, Angie baby. Awesome. That was really cool. And it doesn't seem super glitchy like they do with, like, other features they've only just released. So, yeah, I'm actually impressed with this event. They have finally pulled it together and given something that's polished on release. Awesome. Okay, for today there is only 4. The little moth has given us glasses to look to see. So there should only be 4 today. There might be a 5th one later, or even more, I'm not sure. But I really like the thing that eats you over here. Like, not that I'm going to get eaten again, but it really looks cool. They've done a really good job with that. But, yeah. If you liked, please consider liking and sharing. We get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, and I will start buying things from the events, and then I will show them off. And that way you can watch my channel, be like, oh, that's what they do, and that's what the items look like, before you buy them, in case you're like, oh, I don't know if I should buy this or not, kind of like I do with the traveling spirits. So please consider subscribing and sharing. It really helps more than you guys know. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.